this video, we are going to demonstrate hypothesis testing in Stata and statistical analysis tool. My name is Viraj Pitwa and I am from Information and Communication Technology Department, guided by Professor Chandra C. Parmar. We are doing the hypothesis testing of this problem statement. The Student News Service at Marwadi University has decided to gather data about the undergraduate students that attended ME. So first of all, we will import our dataset by using this command. As our dataset is in Excel sheet, so we will use import Excel and paste the path of our code. Now we will define the sheet name. So data has been successfully imported, and as you can see, this is our data and this is the sheet name. So by writing describe, we can see the data and variable names. Let's say the hypothesis mean of the age is 25 and the alternative hypothesis is not equal to 25. So first we will do one sample t-test by making assumption that the data is normally distributed. We will check whether the data is normally distributed or not by the histogram. As you can see, our data is normally distributed. Now, as our data is normally distributed, we can perform t-test. We will use this option statistics. In that, summarize table and tests. So here you can see t-test. So as we are doing one sample t-test, we will write variable name age and hypothesized mean, which we have calculated, is 25. As the output of one sample t-test, we have number of observations 62, mean 21, standard error 0.181, standard deviation 1.43, and 95% confidence interval. The important hypothesis test output is here. The t statistic is minus 21.2952, degree of freedom 61. In down here we have p-values for two-sided test, one-sided test, and another one-sided test. We are interested in two-sided test. Here it is said that hypothesis mean is not equal to 25. As the calculated p-value is less than the chosen significance level, which is 0.05, we would reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there is a statistical significant difference between the sample mean and hypothesized value. This would mean that population mean is likely not equal to 25.